Hi everyone, welcome to the Idea Solutions channel. Today, I will show you how to convert PDF files to SVG from command line. But before we start, you will need to have Java installed on your machine and also a BuildVu SVG jar file, which I've linked in the description box below. So here I have a folder with all the PDF files that I want to convert, and here is an empty folder where the converted files in SVG format will appear. Now let's go to the command line window. Type in java jar, and after that move the jar file that we have previously downloaded. Type space, and now you can drag and drop the folder with PDF files that you want to convert. Then drag and drop again, but this time the output folder. Now all the SVG files should start appearing in the output folder. So let's check. Okay, it seems that the SVG files are starting to appear, and that's it. As you see, the conversion was very easy and didn't take much time, which is great. So that's pretty much all. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for future content. And of course, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.